Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best pet products out there. Today, we're looking at the exotic nutrition baby squirrel nursing set. The best baby squirrel food for those who need to care for orphaned or rejected baby squirrels. If you've found yourself in the position of needing to care for a baby squirrel, you know how important it is to have the right tools and nutrition to support their growth. This set provides both, with a complete package designed to make feeding and nurturing as easy and effective as possible. The Exotic Nutrition Baby Squirrel Nursing Set includes everything you need to feed your little squirrel properly. First off, the specialty milk replacer is formulated to closely match the nutritional profile of a mother's milk. It's rich in proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, offering a balanced foundation of nutrients that helps young squirrels grow strong and healthy. This powdered formula mixes easily with water, providing a nutritious meal that's just right for a baby squirrel. The set also includes feeding syringes in two sizes, a 3 ml and a 1 ml syringe, perfect for delivering small portions of milk to a baby squirrel. The syringes come with Wonder nipples, which are specifically designed to fit perfectly, ensuring the right flow of milk to avoid any choking hazards. These high-quality O-ring syringes are easy to clean and reusable, making them a great choice for repeated use. This nursing set is ideal for anyone looking to provide hand-feeding care to small, neonatal animals like squirrels. Whether you're rescuing an orphaned squirrel or caring for a pregnant female, this set provides all the necessary components to ensure that your squirrel gets the best start in life. It's a complete feeding solution that eliminates the guesswork, ensuring that your baby squirrel gets the right nutrients every time. One of the standout features of this set is the high level of care and attention to detail in the product's design. From the easy-to-use syringes to the milk replacer that mimics the natural composition of mother's milk, everything is made with the well-being of your squirrel in mind. You don't have to worry about missing any steps in the process, as the directions are clear, ensuring that feeding goes smoothly every time. In addition to the milk replacer and syringes, the set includes two sizes of Wonder nipples, ensuring that whether your squirrel is a newborn or a little older, you have the right size nipple to help with feeding. The nipples are easy to attach to the syringes and offer a comfortable feeding experience for your squirrel. The Exotic Nutrition Baby Squirrel Nursing Set also offers reusability, so you can use the syringes and nipples multiple times with proper cleaning. The product's durability makes it a long-term solution for hand feeding, and it's a great option for those who are fostering squirrels or other small animals. Finally, the milk replacer can be stored for up to 10 days when refrigerated or even frozen for long-term storage. This ensures you can keep your squirrel well fed without having to mix a fresh batch every time. If you're looking for the best baby squirrel food that provides convenience, quality, and safety, the Exotic Nutrition Baby Squirrel Nursing Set is an excellent choice. With its complete set of feeding supplies and nutritious milk replacer, it's the ideal product for anyone in need of a reliable solution for caring for baby squirrels. Thanks for watching today's review here on Product Critique, and make sure to check out our other pet product reviews for more helpful insights.